Donald Trump. In a major move that could reshape global pharmaceutical trade, US President Donald Trump has announced a 100% tariff on branded and patented pharmaceutical imports effective October 1st, unless companies build a manufacturing facility in the United States. While generic medicines, which is India's largest pharmaceutical exports to the United States, are technically excluded, this announcement has certainly sent shockwaves through the 20 billion industry. Stocks of most of our top Indian pharma companies dipped today. That includes giants like Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy, Cipla, Lupin, and Aurobindo. In fact, all of them worry that they could face disruptions, though they sell mostly generics. But we also understand that many companies in India sell branded drugs to US under contract for multinational companies. They partner with them and send out branded drugs as well. So this is going to be really, this announcement itself has come as a huge tension and disturbance for pharmaceutical companies in India, though right now largely they send only generics, which is basically medicines that run once the patent period is over, then they sell those medicines abroad. So this is basically what India does. Most of the Indian companies are selling generics largely, but the blurred lines here, because Trump, he says one thing, does something else. They're still worried if this will basically trouble those companies who sell nearly 45% of its exports to the United States, if they are going to be now bothered with this new ruling. Analysts warn that even the definition of branded could create hurdles, affecting shipments and increasing costs. For Indian exporters, the message is of course quite loud and clear. To avoid tariffs, they may need to now build manufacturing plants. That's what Trump says, that you build on our soil and move all of your production unit here, or at least move your production unit here, so then we'll allow you. That only means that it could raise production cost, capital cost exponentially and squeeze margins for the Indian pharmaceutical giants as well. While the tariff aims to promote US domestic production, it could also disrupt supply chains, potentially also inevitably raising drug prices in the United States. It could create shortage for patients in the United States as well in the short term if this disturbance hits the supply chain. Remember, generics largely comes from India. So US not defining what branded medicines means would only mean that they will also have to face the brunt. This announcement now is part of a broader protectionist push by Trump with additional tariffs. He's also put tariffs on kitchen cabinets, furniture, heavy trucks, highlighting Washington's focus on reshoring manufacturing and protecting domestic industries. For India, the world's largest supplier of generics to the United States, and this tariff will only be posing a big challenge because, like I said, even though it's defined that only branded medicines and patented ones will have this tariff of 100% tariff, but still Indian companies now feeling very worried that this could very well affect their generic medicines as well.